Looking for a healthy option? Try this amazing smoothie. We'll start with 2 carrots. Peel and slice them. Now, blend the carrots with 480 milliliters of water. Let it blend until it reaches the desired texture. After that, strain it to remove larger pieces. Set aside. We'll also need 2 bananas. Slice them. Blend with the carrot juice. And add 480 milliliters of milk. Blend again. When it reaches the desired consistency, it's ready to serve. Pour it into a glass with ice and enjoy this tasty and healthy smoothie. And thus, we conclude another delicious episode. We want to know what ingredients you would add to make this smoothie even more special. Share your suggestions in the comments. Hope you are as enchanted with this recipe as we are. Leave your comments below, share your opinions, give it a like if you enjoyed it, and if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe so you won't miss the next amazing recipes. Thanks for joining us, and until the next culinary adventure.